Hold the leash is you put your thumb through the handle, okay? And with this hand you grab here and hold the leash with two hands like this, okay? And then Mo, stay. Mo is pretty good at this. Stay. He shouldn't move until I say heel. Okay? Even if I pull him, he won't move. Okay? So again, like this, grab on. Okay, ready? Heel. And always on the left side. No matter where you walk, he stays there. And then when you turn, and when you stop, sit. You should sit. Stay. See how he doesn't come?
Then if you say heel, he'll come to you.
Heel. Always on the left side. Now if he starts to get away, I'll come towards you. If he starts to pull, you just give him a quick, like this. Heel.
I know, you didn't pull, did you, buddy?
Heel. Heel. And when you always want to change directions, so he's following you. You don't want to be following them. Change. Heel. Heel.
Momo, come. Momo, come. See, now he would normally come to me, but
Stay.
Momo, come. He wants to.
Heel. Heel. It's just a quick jerk, like this, to correct them.
And
Heel.
as you're walking, if they're behaving, I remember being told to let them know. Stop, Larry. Let them know that you're still there by making this sound. Like just that.
They hear the sound of the
have
chain.
Have it loose. Have it loose and just make that so it's in their ear and they know you're in control.
But that ring should be down below and high up on his neck.
Right.
And you don't want him.
You don't want
pulling.
to choke them.
You want it loose.
Unless they're getting bad.
You want it loose,
Not choke, but
not choking them.
hold them up here.
So when they're walking, he'll see it's loose. He's not pulling.
Yeah.
Now, if he does start to pull, you want to do this heel, and then you want to change directions.
Show her course correction. Back up, turn. Because there's a back up, turn, sit. He's such a good boy.
Heel. Back up.
It's really long.
And you don't want him to cut in front of you. No, the trainer was very mean.
I
Would
know.
train Mo, and he would knee him in the face.
And I didn't like that.
And we don't do that. So I just give him a little nudge that he knows that he doesn't cut in front of me. When I'm going to my left, I'm going to my left, so he's not cutting in front of me. Now I'm going to my right. Same thing. So in the beginning, they'll try to cut in front of you if you need to turn to your left. So it's all about, you gotta give him that just a little. You don't want to hurt him. I don't want him yiping. Just give him a little boof. Sit. Down. Stay. This stuff is.
Was that nails?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Heel. Sit. day.
Now do FREEDOG. Such a good boy. Such a good boy.
Yep. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. You always want to praise him at the end. You ready? Free dog. Good boy. Good boy. Not easy. And there's always playtime after they do it right. I mean, training shouldn't be longer than 15 minutes 2 or 3 times a day. Good boy. You a free dog? You a free dog?